Good day, sir. I'm going to perform the application of topical medication. So, first, gather equipment. And check the medications order against the physician's order. And check also the allergies of the patient. Know the actions of nursing consideration, soft dose range, purpose of administration, and adverse of the effects of the medication to be administered. Consider the appropriateness of the medication for the patients. Perform hand hygiene. And prepare the medication for one patient at a time. And read the MAR. And select the proper medication from the patient's medications drawer. Compare the label with the MAR and check the expiration date. Perform calculus if necessary. When all medications has been prepared, select the label with the MAR before taking to the patient. Return the medication and stack to patient's drawer. Transport the medication to patient's bedside carefully and keep the medication in sight at all times. Ensure that the patient receives the medication at the correct time. Identify the patient. The patient should be identified using the two methods. First is to check the name of the patient's identification band. And second is if the patient cannot identify his or herself, verify the patient identification to significant others. Complete the necessary assessment before administering medications and check allergy bracelet and ask the patient for the allergies. And the action of the medication of the patient. Next is to place the waterproof pad. Perform hand hygiene and put on disposable gloves. Use non-sterile gloves unless the patient is broken and apply a sterile gloves. And wash, rinse, and dry the affected area with the water and clean cloths. Change the gloves and perform hand hygiene. So I assume that I change my gloves and perform hand hygiene. Place the required amount of medication using a cotton tip applicator, then let the patient know that the initial application may feel cold. Apply medication using one stroke and observe the inner-outer application. Observe also the signs of irritation or the redness. And perform hand hygiene. And lastly, document the procedure in the patient's chart.